Hi guys, it's Hedva here, and today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this easy mini puppet. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs. And without further ado, let's get started. So the things that you need to make this mini puppets are tape, scissors, glue, a piece of paper, cardboard, a pen or pencil, and colored pencil. This is optional, but you can also use origamis or colored paper. So let's get started. First, take your cardboard, then draw a circle like this. Just like this. Then draw a little circle in the middle of this big circle. Like this. Then cut it out. Next, you can make more depending how thick you want the puppet to be. After that, glue them together. After you're done gluing them together, take your piece of paper or origami, then trace the circle onto a piece of paper or the origami. After that, you can draw a pattern or color the white paper. After you're done decorating it, put tape onto the paper, then cut it out and glue it on the cardboard. Now take another piece of paper or colored paper, then fold it in half just like this. Then draw a circle slightly bigger than this hole. Don't forget to glue this side and this side together. After that, you can color it with colored pencil. Don't forget to color the backside too. Then cover it with tape. After that, cut it out. Now cut a little slit like this, then make a cone shape just like this. When you're done making a cone shape just like this, tape it on to the cardboard. And you're done! And that is how to make a DIY mini puppet. Hope you guys enjoy making it as much as I did. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to watch my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys! Chu-chu-chu-chu! The end.